Hungry for a measurement solution? Chef Henny here, calling all chefs, cooks, butchers, bakers, foodies, and food manufacturers hungry for measurement solutions. Here at Mitutoyo, we have cooked up a variety of different ways to measure those tasty morsels that go on to fill bellies all over the world. Let's take a look at a menu of different products and applications that will satisfy your hunger for precision. For our first course, we have the most popular caliper in the world, the Mitutoyo 6-inch caliper, to measure the most popular breakfast dessert in America, the humble donut. Measuring the diameter of a donut may not need precision, but inspection is crucial to make sure the size is consistent and customers are getting the same product every time. In the next course, we'll measure the thickness of a raw potato slice using our handheld thickness gauge. Lift the lever and let it back down over the soon-to-be chip to make sure the thickness is exactly where it needs to be so you're not wasting potato and you have the perfect potato chip crunch. Even if your product has different geometry, like ridges, we offer thickness gauges with special contact points to make sure those measurements are mwah. Let's savor thickness measurements for a moment with a couple other applications. What if the food is delicate, like a piece of chocolate, or has a little give, like a slice of bacon? Both may require a thickness measurement for the perfect mouthfeel or consistency, but apply too much force and your measurement results go to waste. Instead of using a conventional caliper, micrometer, or thickness gauge, use one of our low force options. Apply just a pinch or 50 grams of force with the low force caliper. With the adjustable force micrometer, turn the ratchet, apply 1 Newton of force at 20 degrees C, and in a few seconds you'll be going back for seconds because you're ready to measure the next piece. If you're craving an even lower force option, you'll want to try the Lightmatic, which applies a force down to 0.01 newtons. Our main course is the line laser, a non-contact sensor that can measure about as many features as there are items in a buffet. Non-contact measurements are perfect for inline applications, high volume production, and of course provides the most sanitary conditions. Using a laser and camera, we can produce 2D and 3D measurements. One application might be to check the height of bread to know exactly when it's done proofing and ready to go in the oven. Or to check the height, length, and width after it comes out of the oven with just a single scan. And finally, for dessert, Mitutoyo's data management and SPC software, MeasurLink. No matter the measurement, MeasureLink can collect and analyze data from just about any measurement device. Of course, more than just dimensions are measured, such as temperature, humidity, pH level, volume, and weight. And you can use MeasureLink to collect and store all that information in an FDA-compliant manner. Not only that, MeasureLink's secret ingredient is its powerful SPC capabilities to find out where improvements can be made so poor quality doesn't eat into the bottom line, keeping profits nice and healthy. But this is just a taste of the 5,000 plus different products Mitutoyo has to offer. If you're interested in anything you've seen in this video, or if you have a specific application you'd like to discuss, reach out to your local Mitutoyo rep or distributor.